114, 3412, 989, 263.
1, 2,
4.
3, 4.
Westbound 1. And of course I missed Q16.
Okay.
And of course I missed 217 as well. For the
You said that,
yes. I said keep 216 first.
Whatever.
Beat me.
No. Ooh, look at that yellow.
What the? Okay. What are you calling sis?
Hey, Becca. Okay, guess what? You got a deposit. Of course, the girl in the drive-in screwed it up big time. She's such a fucking idiot. But she took care of it, had to call in a supervisor to do so. But I made you a small deposit. And hopefully you can take it. Yeah. Oh, there's a BMW. Big Mexican woman.
What are you in BMW parking lot? Then we're next to the
What?
dealership.
Sorry? Yeah, you gotta think of no, actually I got that from
Talking to my sister.
what is it? Peanut and
Jose.
Jose Jalapeno on a steak. And Jeff Dunham asked